my loves, what's up and welcome back to the Trend Diaries. I'm Nidhi and I'm back with yet another Zivame haul. So Zivame is having their big Diwali sale from 20th of October 8 p.m. onwards. The haul to banta tha, right? I literally picked these hand-picked, these are all hand-picked from their new collection, and I'm super excited to show these to you all because they're having offers like up to 60% off. They even have free shipping and cash on delivery is also available, plus easy flexible 15-day return or exchange policy. So what's the wait? Let's start with today's video, and you can get additional 10% off if you use my code Nidhi Zivame. It will be mentioned on the screen. So let's start with today's video. First pick was this baby blue colored fur knit poly hoodie. This is so soft, like I just can't stop from doing this. It is super soft and perfect for the winter time. So this is available in two different colors. It's a baby pink color and the other color is this baby blue one. So I got the baby blue one. Basically a very beautiful comfy hoodie with full sleeves, and the fur, you see the quality is super soft and thick fur. You also have the Zivame logo given right over here, and that is how the hood looks like. The overall hoodie is super cute. I got this in the size small, and oh my god, this is so good. I loved it, like I loved it like so much. Okay, so if you've been on my channel before, you know my obsession towards lavender these days, and I happen to pick this one up too because why not. So this is a beautiful knit dress. It's basically a lounge dress, and it will go up to your knees. Super breathable, soft and rich fabric. You can see it has a collar detailing right here, and it is a knit dress. So basically you can just wear it for brunch, or you can even wear it for sleep. You can like do anything in this kind of dress. I personally would love to wear it even outside because the overall fabric, the feel, the quality is so rich that no one would say it's a loungewear dress. It is so good. So basically it just runs up till your knees, and it's a knit fabric. I got this particular one in the size small and I loved it. I have two more sleepwear dresses. The very first one is this, again something in lavender blue tones, and this is very beautiful, comfy and soft cotton material, perfect for sleep wear. And I've tried so many of Zivame's sleepwears that I love the quality, and this is like super comfortable to sleep in, and so I keep buying more of these because I love how they actually are. And this particular one is a button down one, so you see they have buttons right till the bottom. This dress has a button down detailing given, which you can open till the 1/3 region from the top. The rest is stitched, while the dress is again super comfortable, a blue colored. It also has two pockets on both the sides, which I love, and this one was very affordable pick, so a must buy. Next sleep dress is this in brown color, again very beautiful. The difference is in how the straps are. So particular one is a strappy kind of sleep dress, again rich cotton material, and it also has this quirky print going on all over the dress, the front as well as the back side, and it also has a button down detailing given right in the center. Very beautiful, a very soft cotton fabric. Again, this one was super affordable, so a must buy. Next up, I have a shapewear from Zivame. So I already have their Tummy Tuckers shapewear, and I love it under my dresses. So I thought of getting this shapewear, which is in the boy short style. So basically it is shorter in length for more of a midi length dresses, or the ones which have a high cut. So you can wear this underneath such dresses. You see it does have a medium compression. It has a waist belt given right over here, which goes right up till your waist. Fabric is super soft, perfect for your dresses. Plus what I love about Zivame shapewear is that they are not suffocating kind of shapewears. They are very breathable. Plus you can easily rock them all day long because they would not suffocate everything out of you. Plus these look just bomb and do the work in the perfect way. So yes, those were the boy shorts that I got from Zivame. Next up, I have this leggings from the brand Zelocity. So I already own two of them, so I got one in black because black is black. Okay, so I got this in the size large because I think this one fits me more perfectly, and you have a different kind of pattern given right on the knees and then down till your ankles. Again, this particular leggings is quite stretchable, plus the fabric is really nice. It is perfect for medium intensity workouts, for cycling, for riding, for yoga, for dance. This is just perfect, and I loved the fabric. This is having a mesh detailing given right over here, so it just looks very pretty on basically. And yes, that was the next pick. Lastly, moving on to lingerie, the very first one is this strapless bra. So I already own the black in the same, and so I ordered a nude color because a black and a nude is all that you need in life, right? So I got this one. So you see it is having wired support right beneath, so that when you wear it strapless, everything is in place and you get good support at the same time. Plus, take it from me that these bras will not poke you or stab you in your chest. The wires are really good quality, and so you would find one of the most comfortable wired bras from Zivame. So this particular one has a good padding. It is lightly padded, and from the inside, if you see, you do have silicone grips given right over here, as well as given on the wings of the bra. So in this way, when you wear it strapless, it hugs to your body and does not fall down. So that is the plus point of this strapless bra. And you can also wear it as a normal t-shirt bra. You can wear it both the ways. Also, one plus thing that I personally do is that I go a size down in strapless bra, so that there's no room for movement inside. And in this way, when I'm even wearing the bras in a strapless way, I get the maximum support. So I am basically 34C, but I ordered the size 34B, that is a cup size down, only for strapless ones. This is what works perfectly for me. I learned this hack from another blogger. So yes, that is 34B, and I would have all of the links mentioned in the description. You can check that out. So that was the next pick. Lastly, I have these stick-on bras from Zivame. These are super affordable and super versatile at the same time. When no other bra works, these work, and these will be by you. So basically, I love wearing this underneath something with a low neck line, and you can also wear this kind of stick-on bras with something which is backless, so this works even there. And you can just rock it with something which is having a plunging neckline as well as which is backless. So this is going to be your friend at that time. I love it. You just have to stick these on and take it up. It also has an extension given right over here, which also adds a nice lift. So in this way, you get a good cleavage. Plus, these you can easily store. All that you need to do is you have to keep this plastic safely, so that once you use it, you can just again re-stick it. And for washing this, you can use a mild shampoo and then let it air dry. The stickiness comes back. So yes, that was my last pick. So yes, that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. You can find all of the product links mentioned in the description box. So don't forget to check out the big Diwali sale starting from 20th of October, 8 PM onwards. They're having crazy offers like up to 60% off. Cash on delivery is available with 15-day easy return or exchange policy, and they also have free shipping. So what's the wait? Go check it out right now. You can also download the Zivame app. I would have the link mentioned in the description box. You can also get additional 10% discount if you use my code NidhiZivame. And with that being said, I wrap up for today's video, and I shall meet you in my next one. Till then, take care, namaste, and keep trending.